we're now boarding. Where we make moments happen with you.
Good morning, 5 a.m. yan. Ang ganda ng city view.
Removal of the lanterns from the aircraft is a serious.
Just arrived and nandito na si Kuya ang aming driver for our whole vacation. Hi!
Itong ano, kailangan ito ng hero.
Okay. Nakasakay na kami sa van. So, let's start now.
May natutulog na dito.
Thank you, Mother and Papa. Thank you po. So, ayan. Nag-breakfast lang kami dito sa McDo. Ayan. Sa may Mega World. Then, mag-picture sana kami dito sa Welcome Bacolod. Kaso, under construction. Hi! Dito kami ngayon sa art gallery ng Mascara. Jojo Vito. Wow! So nice here. There's a lot of mascara.
Watching na.
Wala pa kami. It's too early pa for our check-in. So, dito muna kami sa Capital Lagoon. Hindi.
Ayusin natin, ayusin natin.
Dahil nga sobrang aga namin for the check-in, siyempre hindi mawawala ang SM. Mall is live. Opening. Let's go. Hi! Nag-open ang mall. Welcome to the ruins. So, because it's holiday yan, sobrang daming tao ngayon.
More classic songs coming up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy Good evening! So, dito na kami sa aming accommodation. portion. Yan. Let's have some steak.